Hey, what's good everyone? Local Ice Man here. As you see, I got the frames all netted up, brand new pads all the way around, even got a bottle holder there for the goalies. They're not looking too bad. There's little funky spots here and there. There's one thing to note about this netting. It is resin soaked, so it comes out of the package really stiff. You wouldn't think it would fit on the frames coming out of the package. It takes a lot of stretching. And if you do get this resin soaked netting, I do recommend you check out Beaker Arena's video on how they install it. Because it's a little bit different how I did it, which I'll show you here in a minute. What they do is they tie it along the top, and they actually have the frame up on some boxes or some pallets. They stretch the netting over past the frame by using weights tied around the netting. Then they stitch the netting to the frame. Then they come along and trim it all the way around and use a blowtorch to singe the edges and make it look nice. So if you get this resin silk netting, realize that it takes a little bit stretching to get to fit around the frame. And go ahead and comment below if you guys use the resin silk netting or the regular netting, and in particular if you use the resin silk netting and what approaches you use to get it to stretch around the neck, because I'm kind of curious about that. As well as if you have the regular netting, go ahead and comment below on how you guys tie the netting to the frame. I think it's a little more straightforward with the regular net that you don't have to stretch so much. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some tunes to a time lapse to show you kind of how I did it, so go ahead and enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and like the local Iceman says, stay cool.